Perspective Podcast is fuel for your mind and creative grind. Each week, we break down the art of healthy hustling, overcoming the inner critic, and growing your creative business. "2020 has been quite the year, a weird year. I know for me, doing my thing full time and then getting hit with the pandemic radically was a massive challenge, an uphill challenge all year long. How has being like a performing artist and a singer, what are some of like the curveballs you've dealt with in dealing with the Rona and COVID and everything just hitting you this year?
Well, last year was like a super awesome year for me because there were a lot of like boxes that were checked. My songs were charting. I got up to number 19 on the charts. I was doing a radio tour. I had, made great relationships with all these program directors all over, the nation. And then I had gone on tour with Ingrid Michaelson last fall and everything was looking great. And then this January, I actually got a song from a super huge pop star. She had sang the demo on it. And then they were going to let me have it as my song. And the radio team and everybody was so excited about it. I had an EP all ready to release. And, we were just going to build off what we had done last year. And we were so excited about it. There had been talk about like getting me on tour this summer or this fall with they had talked like Sheryl Crow and they had, big names like that. And I think Andy Grammer too is another name. I don't know if I'm supposed to say that, but I just did. So
is what it is. You do what you want.
Yeah. But anyways, then we had everything ready to go. And then April hit and May hit. I think it was May 1st. And I got a call and everything fell through. And it was like, it's done. It's done and you're on your own. And then ever since then, it's like, I don't know.
Solo artist now since May. Just figuring out the next steps after riding this massive wave of 2018, 2019, 2020 is looking like it's going to be just, building off that even more highs. And then just the floor got pulled from you.
Exactly. And
what was your mindset like? How'd you feel?
You know what? I think that in a lot of other situations, if this would have happened to an artist, they would have maybe probably had a meltdown and been like, I don't know what I'm going to do. It would have been a terrible year. But my situation was different because the people that I was with and the group I was with never had my best interest. I never felt like they cared. I never felt like I was heard. I never felt like I could be myself. I felt like it was like, okay, we need you to get the spins and we need you to make the money and you're here because you were handed to us and we don't really want you, but we are contractually obligated to do these things with you. So that's the deal. And that's how I always felt. And so being free was kind of like, it was like a shock more than anything. It was just a shock. I wasn't sad. I wasn't mad. I was just shocked because I was like, oh, wow. Okay. So all these plans that I had are now not going to happen. And it's good because, I always joke about it with my sister. She's got pretty bad anxiety where I'm kind of on the opposite side where I can get depressed really easily. But we're both on the same medication, but for different things. And I say she could never be in this, do what I do because of the anxiety. And I never have a plan. Even when you think you have a plan, you don't, and nothing is guaranteed, and you're never guaranteed a salary. Some months you'll make $0 and other months will be so awesome.
That's the life that's so glorified, but people don't know
so
the nitty gritty. I'm like, dude, I didn't make a damn dime in August. instead of that safe paycheck.
Yeah.
Different world. And I'm a high anxiety person too. So I understand where your sister's coming from.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. So, I mean, I think if it was a super good everything, I totally believe everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
And something better is out there, even if that means like, okay, you're never going to play a stadium in your life, but like your career is going to make you so happy. And, you're going to get to live like an awesome life and do exactly what you want.
Thanks again for listening. It'd be awesome if you took the time to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and let the comment below so we can connect. Again, if you want to catch a shout out as a future listener of the week, make sure you subscribe to the show on iTunes and give it a rating and review.